Meet Mr. Rivera, a marine biology teacher with years of experience. While he's an expert in his field, he's struggling to keep up with how students are using AI. In this experience, you'll help him learn how to write effective prompts using the CREATE framework. By the end of this experience, you'll be able to recognize what makes an effective AI prompt, improve prompts to better support learning, and apply these strategies to real classroom situations. As you progress through the lesson, Mr. Rivera's confidence will grow. Your goal is to help him reach at least 90% confidence. AI isn't here to replace teaching, it's here to support it. Teachers can use AI to simplify complex concepts, generate practice opportunities, create instructional materials, and even simulate meaningful student interactions. Hover over each bubble to learn more. Now it's your turn to choose how you'd like to learn. You can explore the ethics of using AI in education, the CREATE framework, or the Talk Like a Human formula. Start with what interests you most, or what you feel you need the most support with. You'll have the chance to explore all three before moving on. As you explore each branch of the coral, you'll uncover key guidelines for using AI responsibly in your classroom. Ethical AI use isn't about avoiding the technology, it's about using it intentionally. From protecting student privacy to fostering open dialogue, these practices help ensure AI supports learning in a safe, inclusive, and meaningful way. The CREATE framework helps structure prompts so AI can respond more effectively. Let's break it down. This structure helps you organize your prompts clearly and effectively. AI responds best when you communicate clearly and naturally, just like you would with a person. The more context, structure, and intention you provide, the more useful the response becomes. Hover over the two prompts to learn which is the better choice. Nice work! After learning more about the formulas, ethics, and frameworks, Mr. Rivera is starting to understand the foundations of AI prompting in education. Mr. Rivera is trying to use AI to practice teaching. Which prompt would be more effective? This response is generic and doesn't support interactive teaching. The prompt lacks enough guidance for meaningful engagement. This prompt works better because it clearly defines the role of the AI and encourages interaction through questions. Prompt B worked because it used two key elements of effective prompting: character and request. Great job! You're helping Mr. Rivera build meaningful AI interactions. Now it's your turn to help Mr. Rivera build a better prompt. Build a prompt by selecting the elements that will best support Mr. Rivera's goal and dragging them to the color-coordinated boxes. Great work! Mr. Rivera is beginning to see how structured prompts can transform AI into a tool for practice and interaction, not just information delivery. Think about how we can improve this prompt. What elements would make it more useful for practicing teaching? Nice progress! By refining his prompts, Mr. Rivera is learning how small changes can lead to more meaningful and useful AI responses. Now it's your turn to help Mr. Rivera build a better prompt. This prompt works because it includes role, context, request, and interaction, guiding the AI to support teaching, not just provide information. The other options are either too vague or focus on content rather than engagement. Excellent work! Mr. Rivera is now applying what he's learned to new situations, using AI intentionally to support student learning and engagement. You did it! Mr. Rivera now feels confident using AI to support his teaching. Now it's your turn. Try using the Create framework in your own classroom. This lesson is now complete. You may exit the module.